All right.
Good morning again.
Good morning.
Good
Xander,
morning.
are you having fun?
No.
Okay, good. That's what work is. It's not supposed to be fun. Just kidding. It's always fun. Did Victor just call you to yell at me singing?
He wanted to know which one of us was killing a squirrel and a cat and a dog and a bird all at the exact same time.
And something about more Vaseline?
Yes, correct.
Wow. All right, so, Ken. Close but no cigar, my friend.
I think the bolt pattern's right.
Bolt pattern is right. Ow, get your butt off my leg. Yeah, the bolt pattern itself will be right, but I do not think it's gonna clear. But you know what? God, that would have been so neat.
I don't think it'll work.
Oh no, it's not going on. There's no doubt.
No, but the
But
bolt circle would have flown.
I think the bolt pattern is right.
Yeah.
I really do.
Well, that sucks.
Yeah. But I'm glad we paid to get that tire fixed, so at least it's still a roller.
Yeah, I'm glad we had Victor do that for us.
Because that needed to be done.
Yep, so we got rollers. So Ken, you know what? It's more of just the tire height.
Yeah.
If he wants to use these wheels and gets tires with a shorter sidewall, it might fly.
Yeah, low profile, it might. Maybe.
Ultra low profile on those wheels, I think this thing will look kind of cool.
It's possible, yeah.
Possible. It's possible.
The only thing I could think of is see if we can have Victor take one of the tires off real quick, put the rim on the car,
Wheel.
and see if that looks appropriate.
Yeah, you know what? That might be fun. Let me text Ken and see if he'd be interested in doing that. I don't know if he wanted to use these as just rollers or if he wants to actually go with these as his wheels.
Yeah.
Now, my other problem is the offset. It might be
Oh yeah.
too far
Yep,
in.
it is. It's too far
Yeah.
in. It's too far in, so that went out the window.
Yeah, so good try, Ken.
Because I think that's damn near a zero offset.
That's past zero, because the zero is a straight up. That's past straight up. That's a negative. Where mine are like plus, this is the opposite direction. You know, my race ones are really inset.
Yeah.
This is the opposite. I run 2s and 3s. This is more like a 6. Anyway, tomato. Well, that was fun. You think we could throw stands under this and put that upper link in?
That's
quick?
exactly what I'm thinking on.
Nice, because we have it back. Victor pressed it, what, Friday?
Yeah.
Friday. So, awesome. Awesome sauce. And then I got to get with Brendan what we owe him for pressing those bushings.
Yeah.
Because we already paid him for the... What was the other thing they did? For my doggy biscuits?
The tire.
Oh, I haven't even been asked about the tire yet.
Okay, so let's get this on jack stands. Both sides.
Which jacks?
The big orange
use the
ones.
yellow ones.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, the yellow. Use the orange.
Well, yellow,
Jack
orange,
stands?
tomato.
The
And
ones
then-
that are on the wall.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
biggies.
Then your best bet's going to be take the jack, and if you hit the yoke just gently with the jack and jack it up, you'll give a little more camber to the
Well,
axle.
that'll change the pinion angle.
And then you should probably be able to get that in there nice and easy. You shouldn't have any major
And
issues.
that's no yoke.
Yeah. Do you want to kick them in the gonads or not?
You can.
Look at those pretty Woolwoods, boys.
Yep.
Oh, pretty. All right. What do you guys say?
Later.
Mañana.
Not mañana. Maybe later today'o. See, I said that in Spanish. I said later o today'o.
That is.
That's
not right.
Spanish.
No.
You just put O after
No,
everything
remember?
in Spanish.
These have a
Cock ring.
ring on them, so when you got to put the wheel back on, you got to make sure that that's in there.
Because that locates the rotor.
Yeah.
Scotty's good with locating the rotor. He's gonna hit me in the ding ding.
No, I need to now figure out a way to get up.
Well, if you rub it hard enough, it'll get up.
No, that gets up to a small breeze.
Oh,